How to register for Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to register for Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do this, we just need to head over to our Threads, but make sure that you have downloaded it first. So just head over to your Play Store and App Store and search for Threads right here. So click on search Instagram and make sure to download this. Now after you have done downloading it, just click on open right here. As you can see, you can have the option to log in with Instagram. So just click on login with Instagram right here. And from in there, as you can see, it is loading and getting ready for Threads. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see right here, you can customize your Threads profile. You can add in your name, but as you can see, the username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. You can add in right here the profile icon and also the bio that you have, but you can also import from Instagram. So just click on import from Instagram, and as you can see, that we've imported, but since I don't have a bio or a link on my Instagram profile, then nothing has been imported. So you can just type in here a bio, you can just add in hi or add in a link, then after that click on continue in the bottom, and you can see this public profile or private profile. You can choose on any one of them, but I will choose public profile and click on continue. Then after that, I can follow the same accounts I follow on Instagram. I can click on one of them, or I can just click on follow all right here in the bottom. So I'll click on follow all and then click on join Threads. Then after that, this will load again. As you can see, I am on the home page of Threads. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to register for Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.